Hello my dear student, how are you? I hope you are all in good. So today's in this video I am going to give you some important materials to understanding the relation and function. Yes, class 12th maths relation and function. This chapter is one of the most important चैप्टर. तो आप लोगों को वो रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन चैप्टर अच्छे से पढ़ने के लिए आप लोगों को ये जो नंबर्स वगैरह है उसको अच्छे से पढ़ लेना बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. So my friends, I feel comfortable in English language, so don't be confused. And you have to consider that it is one of the most conversation. Yes, you have to improve your English lecture, English fluency. Just you have to stay with me, attached with me, with the study plus conversation. Study plus conversation. This is called development of skill. For this, you have to stay with me. I promised you that I will give you the fluency. Yes, I am able to get English fluency in American, but I am not trying to express here. It is just because of I really want to give you proper understand with the specific English language without any making any English American fluency. So this is not our main theme. Our main theme is what? If you want good marks from your chapter, maths chapter, relation and function, this is one of the most important chapter to get the proper understood. Without concept of the numbers, you can't get proper understood. So that's why these are very important. It is also very important whenever you see it on any entrance examination, any mathematical calculation, metric, higher secondary, and so on. So without this type of concept, you can't or you are unable to touch on maths. So let's get started. So first of all, I would like to ask you an answer. What is the meaning of natural numbers? Why we called natural numbers? Yes, you give me the answer. Sir, counting numbers are called natural numbers. Yes, this is right. This is not wrong. This is right. But are you able to give me answer? Why you call natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are called natural numbers. But why you say like that? You have to understand the step by step, word and word. With this chapter, with this video, with the channel, you get proper understood. So you have to subscribe my channel to get further notification. So natural numbers, why you say like that? If I asked you, you have to say count up to 12 or 10th. Then you naturally split from your mind that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and so on. But you don't involve zero. Without the involvement of zero, you say 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. If you asked in with another person, also he give me the answer as you. Okay, so this is naturally spread from mouth. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 without involvement of zero. So that is why this is named as natural numbers. I hope you get the proper understood. So in the next you can see whole numbers. Whole numbers means, the whole means what? Whole means here entire, fulfill. Here you can see just n plus 0. Here we can see n plus 0. N means natural number. Just we have to add the 0 and this is converted to whole numbers. Yes. Natural numbers including 0 are called the whole numbers. All the numbers starting from 0 are called the whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by W. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is called whole numbers. Integers numbers. Integers, you can see 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3. You can see, let's say this is the number line and here neutral 0. In the left side of the 0 you have negatives 1, negative 2, negative 3 and so on. In the right side of the 0 you can see positive 1, positive 2, positive 3 and so on. This all together is known as integers. So integer number are denoted by what? Z. The right side of the 0 is known as positive integer. You have to remember. Okay, so this is zero integer. This is zero integer. So z comes from the German word zahlen, which means to count. Even numbers means what? Which are the numbers are completely divisible, by 2. These are known as what? Even number. You can see all the numbers completely divisible by 2 are called even numbers, but 0 also even number. You can see here 0 is also even number. You have to keep in your mind that 0 is also even number. Mind it. 1 is not even number. 1 is not even number, but 0 is even number. Okay. Here you can see 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2. Here 2 completely divisible. You can see 2 is divided by 2, then you get 1. 4 is divided by 2, then you get 2. This is called even number. Even number is denoted by e. So what numbers? All numbers completely not divisible by 2. Which are the number not completely divisible by 2? These are known as odd number. You can see 1 by 2. First of all, I would like to take the 1 by 2. This is maybe 0.5. Okay, so and 3 by 2, this in fraction or in point, this is not completely divisible. So composite number, the numbers having more than 2, numbers having more than 2 factors are called the composite numbers. And let's say you have a number, let's say 4. Okay, so how we get 4? Whenever we multiple 1 with 4, then you get 4. 1 1 4 are what? 4. You can see here 4. 2 2 are 4. Yes or no? You can see here 1 2 and 4. I want to say itself 1 2 4. This is called factors. You can see like that. Prime numbers, the numbers having only two factors, 1 and half. Which of the factors? 1 is a factor for any digit. You can see, so itself are called the prime numbers. Let's say 2. How we get 2? When we multiple with 1 with multiple with 2, then we get 2. You can see here 1 is a factor also 2 means itself factors. Co-prime numbers, 2 or more than 2 numbers having no common factors except 1 are called co-prime. Here except 1 is not involved here. 1 is not involved here. And no common. Here have no any common. You can see 2 3. Here you can see 2. How we get 2? 1 4 are what? Oh, sorry, 1 2 are what? 2. So except 1, we can't involve or we can't take 1. So this is cross. Yes, we can take this 2, but without any common. This is not common. Just we have to take 2. Similarly, 1 3 3s are 3. Yes or no? We have not need to take this, and we can take 3. So you can see this is the rational numbers. Rational numbers is also very important. So you can see rational numbers. Rational numbers means what? Which are the numbers stay in the shape of what? P by Q. You can see this is numerator and this is denominator. In the numerator, I want to say P by Q. P by Q. Which are the numbers stay in the shape of P by Q, and this is known as rational number, but not. Why? You can see in the denominator Q is never with 0 or Q not equal 0 are called rational number, but P and Q are both integers numbers. Okay, as the definition you can see the numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are the integers and Q not equal 0 are called a rational number. Integers numbers means what? Integers numbers means you can see here, this is 0, this is a 0 integer, in the left side negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. In the right side of the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all in positive. So all this number together or assembled are called what? Integers. Okay. So rational comes from the word ratio. The rational words come from the word the ratio, and a cube was come from the quotient. You can see here the rational numbers are denoted by q, and this q comes from the word the quotient. The rational numbers include in the natural numbers, so whole numbers and integers. Rational numbers include natural number. You can see this q. I want to say rational number include nature, natural numbers. Whole number means what? W. And what? Integer, integer denoted by z. Yes or no? Integer are denoted by what? Integers numbers are denoted by z. Okay. So yeah, this is as a formula for as a short tricks. You have to remember q is equal to n plus w plus z, means natural number, whole number, and integers number. The irrational numbers is nothing but the opposite of irrational number. The you can see here the numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal 0 are irrational numbers.